Hey, what's up guys? This is Daniel from Rigid Armor, and today we're going to be doing an installation video on a 2025 CRV. We're going to be bolting it on our original system, and we're going to see how the final installation is. Alright guys, so what we're going to do first is we're going to pop these caps that are on the rails. There's about 3-4 of them, and all you need is kind of like a flat screwdriver that will help you be able to get in the little section where it is to grip onto. And what you do, you just kind of fairly pop in, put the flathead in there, and kind of slowly pop it to where you get a good grip of it, and then it will surely pop out like that. So just like that. Alright guys, so what you want to do second is you want to grab a star Allen wrench screw so you can pop off these screws that are holding the rails. And what you do is just break them loose. Okay, and once you break them loose, you can pop the rail out, and it's just as easy as that, and you got it off. After that, you put it down, clean it up, and we'll do the next step. After you remove the rails, you're going to be left with a stud coming out the roof. What you want to do with that, that's where our custom spacer kit is going to come. We got these stainless spacers that raise up the mounting location a little bit higher than the roof line. So what you want to do is you want to screw these in just like this, all the way down, nice and tight. Guys, so after you've installed the spacers, you want to go to the directions where it gives you the direction of the mounting brackets, how they're going to go. So the rear brackets are going to be going towards the rear, the offset location, and then the front as well are going to be heading towards the rear. So that's how you know you're putting it on the right direction of the mounting brackets. Added the mounting brackets, and we added the side rails. They have been just mocked up, but right now we're going to put a crossbar, a couple across, so that way we can joint together the roof rack assembly and start adjusting where the mounting brackets are going to be finally tightened at. So what we're doing now is we're tightening up the small M5 screws onto the extrusion for the visor. What you want to do is you want to add the small M5s through the visor and attach the flat T-slot nut. Once you have them all put in here, there's about 12 of them, you can slide in the extrusion onto the screws through the back. So we just wrapped up the installation. We adjusted the visor on the height to make sure it's nice and good fit. As you can see, nice and tight, nice and solid. You got a rock solid roof rack. Thank you for watching the installation on the CRV roof rack. I think it's a good selection for everyone that wants to carry extra gear on top. It's solid. Our spacer kit gives it a nice solid foundation for the roof. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Rigid Armor out.